Hey guys, it's me Vaishak, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to install dark mode on WhatsApp. So here I have my phone right here. So I'll just unlock the phone and I'll just go to Play Store. And here is WhatsApp. So I have installed the latest beta update on WhatsApp. So in the beta update we have received a dark mode. So you don't have to do any kind of root or any kind of thing in this. You just have to be a beta tester. So in case you're not a beta tester, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can download it. So first let me just head over to WhatsApp now. WhatsApp, and here now it looks like normal WhatsApp we have. So now let me just go to the settings, go to chats, and in chats just select on theme, and here you can see there are three options: system default, light, and dark. So if you keep the system default, based on your system the theme automatically changes. So my system is on dark, so when I remove the dark mode, the WhatsApp automatically changes to the mode whichever you selected, dark mode. And now I'll just switch it off, and as you can see the WhatsApp also has changed into the light mode. So now I'll go here and select dark mode, and as you can see it's on dark mode, and I'll just go here and type, and as you can see everything is in dark, every single thing. And this is the official update right here. As you can see it's written from Facebook, so I didn't do any kind of root or anything. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. I hope you had a nice day. Bye bye, see you soon.